Hey everyone, with remarkable skill, the VMAX VX2 Hub electric scooter achieves its goal of providing a unique blend of power, comfort, and affordability. This scooter is obviously designed for riders who want performance and speed without going into the ultra-premium category. The VX2 comes in two versions, all of which have the same 1900-watt peak rear hub motor that can manage stiff 35% inclines, more than enough to tackle even the most difficult urban hills. The battery capacity, a 13 ampere-hour pack that can go up to 44 miles, or a bigger 18.2 ampere-hour version that can travel up to 56 miles on a single charge, is the main distinction between the two types. In terms of performance, the VX2 Hub really excels. It is in the ideal range between high-speed excitement and controllable speed. With a top speed of 33 miles per hour, first-time riders may be taken aback by the amount of torque the scooter produces off the line due to its rapid and strong acceleration. You can't just jam the throttle and hope for a smooth rollout. This is the kind of power that requires respect. Rather, you operate it similarly to a real car, adjusting the acceleration to your comfort level. There is an eco setting that reduces torque without significantly lowering top-end speed for people who want a more tranquil ride. The VX2 does not compromise rider comfort or safety in spite of its power. It has complete suspension, which makes it easy to navigate light trails and city streets. Although it isn't made for extreme off-roading, it can easily navigate rough or grassy terrain. The VX2 feels like a small motorcycle underfoot thanks to its robust frame and 10-inch tubeless tires, which add to the scooter's solid, rooted feel. Although it does have a tendency to draw dirt, the surface is covered in a sticky rubberized coating for stability. Another standout feature is the folding mechanism, which is robust, safe, and well thought out with a locking hook that secures everything neatly in place when folded. For a scooter with this speed and power level, when stiffness and dependability are important, this is crucial. Safety features and lighting are also expertly implemented. Riding at night is much safer thanks to the VX2's handlebar-mounted signals that shine both forward and backward, and rear turn signals that extend outward for improved visibility. The USB-C charging connector, which is ideal for charging your phone or other small gadgets while commuting, is one of the little but nice features. For riders who want digital control and customization, VMAX also offers an optional smartphone app. However, it is not necessary for basic functioning. In a time when many manufacturers require app connectivity in order to unlock the scooter or access necessary functionality, this is a welcome change. Once again, the VX2 Hub is impressive in terms of both pricing and build quality. It offers great value for a scooter in its performance level, starting at about $1,199. From suspension system to the strengthened frame, every part feels sturdy. The scooter inspires confidence rather than anxiety since it stays stable even at high speeds. It is light enough to be carried or stored with ease, but it feels sturdy and well-engineered. So, VMAX VX2 Hub achieves a unique equilibrium between usefulness and excitement. It provides a true performance scooter experience at a cost that nevertheless seems reasonable because it is quick, robust, and well-designed. VX2 is one of best-made and most entertaining scooters in its class because of its strong power delivery, pleasant riding, high-quality suspension, and well-executed safety measures. What makes this scooter unique is that it feels just as nice on your everyday commute as it does when you open it up for a weekend ride. Thanks for watching. I hope this video is useful for you. Have a nice day and God bless you.